In this episode of Andy's Road Trip, we're going to be unboxing an Acura NXS. This model comes in at $45, including shipping, and it is extremely highly detailed. Let's open up the box. Let's pull the model out. Now, this is a Honda or Acura in the United States, NXS, and it was lightweight and very powerful.
The alarm.
Disc brakes and vented rotors, front and rear. Highly detailed front compartment with spare tire. Gorgeous 6-cylinder VTEC engine. Highly detailed interior. Seats move forward, backward, and they tilt. The running lights are on when the lights are down, and all four are on when they're up. Door panel, interior. Nicely detailed stereo. Not so much on the dashboard. I don't see instruments. A little bit of a trunk. It weighs 6.7 ounces, and it's time to speed test it on the treadmill.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh no!
Let's test the actual speed of this vehicle slowly and gradually. Wait a minute. This is 0.7. Oh, that's not very good.
Let's try for a speed higher than 0.7. Come on now. The weight should pull. The alignment is not great. We have here 4 Ruskies.
the pride and joy of the USSR.
No.